Hello again. We are back for another edition of Park Hyatt at Home, but actually, if you look around, this ain't where I live. We are on the road in beautiful Mascope, Pennsylvania. That's out in the Poconos, and today we're going to be celebrating Father's Day. Going to show you an easy, quick technique on how to make some burgers and grill them up perfect. I hope you enjoy, and happy Father's Day to all you fine gentlemen out there. Why don't you want to be in the video today?
Because I want you to do it yourself, because it's Father's Day.
So you're not going to help me because it's Father's Day?
Yeah.
Let's get cooking. When you're forming burger patties, you don't want to mess with it, right? You want to touch it as little as possible. So what I do, I take a little deli container like this one. That's a half-pound burger. That's a lot, but it's Father's Day, right? So let's live it up. All right, and we're just going to pack that in there. You see, just pack it in. It's going to form a nice round shape. All right, then pop it out. You know, maybe you come back if you want to be fancy. Give it a little zhuzh. I wouldn't touch it much more than that. That's a Father's Day burger. All right, we're all set to grill. We got our burgers. The way I'm gonna cook these, and this might seem like overly fussy and obsessive, but it's gonna give you a really beautiful, evenly cooked burger. And we set up what's called a 2-zone fire. I have one burner set to high, and the other two are turned down low. We let the grill preheat for 15 minutes. Zoe likes hot dogs, so her hot dog precedes everything. All right, and we're going to drop our burgers on to the cool side of the grill. You hear that sizzle? It's still very hot. It's just not so hot that it's going to char the meat immediately. The other part of this method, which is a little unconventional, is I'm going to turn the meat frequently. When you flip meat, when you're cooking a steak or anything like that, it redistributes the juices, right? You're turning it over, so the juices go from the top to the bottom, and it's going to give you a more even cook. You try to flip it every 1 or 2 minutes. When we see a decent amount of red juices coming out, we know we're at a nice medium rare. Once we get to the right temp, we're going to throw it on the hot side, give it a char, and then it's time to eat. The deer is like right here. Do you smell the... Do you want a drink? No. See how it springs right back? All right, that's going to be medium. You see the meat itself is tightening up. It springs right back. Medium. Cheese. Yeah, I know. Processed American cheese. Just tastes good. Look how juicy that is. Alright, here we go. I need a bigger bun. Yeah. Are you having fun?
Yeah.
Alright, say bye.